The Ambisonics plugin is a free tool available for the MixPre-6 and 10T. You can download the plugin by visiting the plugin store. The site will ask for your serial number to determine if the plugin is compatible with your device. You can find the serial number on the back of your unit, next to the SD slot, or in the menu of your MixPre by navigating to System, Version. Let's type in the serial number. The site shows us the plugins available for our unit. Click Buy for the Ambisonics plugin. Click View Cart, then proceed to checkout. Enter your billing details. After we check out, we can scroll to the bottom and click Download Device License. Then click Download. Copy the file to an SD card already formatted by the MixPre. Insert the SD card into the MixPre. Applying the plugin is the final step. Go to System, Plugins, Apply Plugins. The unit restarts, and installation is complete. You can now access the Ambisonics features by going to Input, Ambisonics. You are now ready to monitor and record 360-degree audio from your MixPre. That wraps this quick overview on how to install the Ambisonics plugin. We'll see you soon for more video tutorials.